Congratulations on being newly listed on the CSE.
Welcome back to another newly listed on the CSE clip. Part of this series, today I am talking to Mr. Gary Musil. He is the president and CEO of Madi Minerals Ltd, trades on the CSE, of course, under the symbol MADI. Gary, thank you so much for your time. I hope you're well today.
Good. Thank you, Anil.
Gary, let's jump right into the conversation. Madi Minerals Ltd. Talk to our viewers about this company. What is your vision here and what do you do?
Well, I'm the CEO president, as you said, of Madi Minerals. Madi is a junior mining resource company. We have only 14.1 million shares issued as we've gone public. And the company has been searching the province for a number of properties that have had either historical work and haven't been worked for a while. We've optioned a large 2,069 hectare property, a copper gold project, a favorable VMS polymetallic type property that is 20 kilometers south of the coastal town of Sayward, which is on northern Vancouver Island and north of Campbell River. So a different area that we see that we think the northern portion of Vancouver Island has been overlooked, I think, for many years, as a result of the huge BHP copper project that was south of Port Hardy. It was a producing mining company for over 24 years, and obviously took a lot of the people working in that area. We see that there's other opportunities in the northern part of Vancouver Island, and especially in the copper. I mean, that project was Canada's third largest copper mine for a lot of years, producing over 345 million tons of copper. So, the area has been opened up by logging, a lot of logging in northern part of the island. And these logging road cuts have helped expose new mineralization that we can look at.
Got it. And what was the strategy behind going public with this company?
Well, I've over the years, with my experience in the mining industry, I've got a group of investors that have asked me to look at expanding exploration in BC. Due to COVID, we've had a slowdown of exploration and production, and they see that the markets are ready for news on new discoveries and searching for more minerals. We need more minerals all the time as we expand all our manufacturing projects.
Absolutely. Now, Gary, talk to our viewers about some of your key team members that you've assembled to move this project forward.
Well, along with myself, I've had 35 years of experience in the public company management, as both CEO and CFO, as well as 15 years with being a controller of a small producing mining company. But I've got a team that adds probably 75 plus years of both combined public company and private company directorship and management. I have a professional geoscientist who's had over 30 years in base and precious metals exploration, and he's also held management and director positions with numerous other public companies. As well, I've got an accountant who holds a CFO position. I've worked with her for over 30 years in the public company sector, and I have another director she also has 25 years of experience in providing managerial, administrative, and governing services to public and private companies. So in a variety of industries. So we've got a well-rounded team of 4 directors at this point.
The success to any project is the team that you assembled to sort of move it forward. Now, what differentiates a company and project like Madi Minerals from some of your peers that are in the same space?
Well, I think the biggest thing is that, we're just completed a 4 million share IPO that puts immediately 400,000 gross into the company. And with a small market cap of 14 million, it allows the company to move forward quickly. We're not heavily diluted, so you've got a lot of people looking at small cap companies, small issuance, and they're looking for upside right away that they can get into and get it at these prices that we open up at.
Well said. Now, I know the company has just begun trading. Are there any milestones that you're able to talk about that our viewers can look out for in the coming weeks and months?
Yeah, I think, Northern Vancouver Island, although they've had maybe a longer winter season than usual, the weather up there changes pretty quick, and it'll soon warm up, and then we'll be able to get onto this project. We did a drone mag survey already in our preliminary exploration and sampling program, as well as the Geoscience BC Regional Airborne Mag and Radiomagnetic Survey was done by the government. And this has given us a good opening picture for the property. The area is opened up by logging roads. So, as the technical report says, we're going to be able to get on that and do a property-wide mapping, further sampling, and even trenching program right away. And I think what we see so far is we're going to be able to uncover a source of anomalous precious metal concentrations in, especially we see two high priority targets in the area. And, it's an area up in the north that has seen big production in the copper gold industry.
Well, it's going to be a busy next couple of months for you and your team then. Now, where can our viewers go to, read up on your team, find more information on this project, and obviously sign up for your upcoming press releases so they can keep up with the news?
Well, watch for the symbol Madi and news releases. We'll be posting on some of the news media, Canada Stock Watch and a few others, but also the CSE website. We'll develop our own website probably in the next 2 to 3 weeks, and start posting onto there.
Well, Gary, it's always a pleasure talking to you. I wish you and your team nothing but success as you move forward in the coming months with this project. And look forward to hosting you in the next, let's say, after this program is done, to provide our viewers with another update. To everybody watching, you've been listening to Mr. Gary Musil. He is the president, CEO of Madi Minerals Ltd, trades on the CSE under the symbol MADI. Gary, thank you again for your time.
Thanks for having me on.
Of course.